What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Lynn Sister Lifestyle. Feeding time for Cali. Live feeding advised.
Yeah, surprise. First time eating a snake.
No, it's not.
First time eating a snake. It's not our first time. It's just not. It's just. I'm just saying it's our first time, and not the. Well, it's not even our first time. Oh my gosh, Callie's skin is white at the bottom. 8 degrees.
I need my little hook right here.
Get that thing right for me. I'm gonna shoot her. I'm gonna shoot the snake. I'm shooting. Okay, watch out, that red stuff's on the phone. Get the red stuff off your phone. Get the red stuff off your phone. Get off your phone. Go in there. Oh, she see what I said. She put it down. Anyway, why you not gonna put something's on your eye is a red stuff. Let's get out there. Oh, she got it. How she got it? Oh, it was bite it? Oh, it burns. I missed it.
Mm-hmm.
No, I didn't. I looked it. She eating still? How's it going? She's eating the wrong way. She's eating the wrong way. Because last time she ate the wrong way.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, this fish. Good.
Alright, y'all. I've never seen Callie do this before. Stretch out like this. She had a hard time eating the last one. So I don't know what she doing this time.
hands up. If anybody try to rob me, you better put that hands up for real. And I'm shooting with the gun like that. Good, check. 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 I'm gonna get my headphones.
Alright, gang. Callie did what she's supposed to do. In 8 minutes. So now we gotta get her out of this tank and get her back into her housing. But you ain't supposed to mess with them for like 24 hours after they eat, because they're a little feisty. So that's why I'm using the hook, so I don't have to touch her. Drop her back in here where it's nice and warm. She can digest her food easy with the heat. Close her little box up because she like to hide. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Peace.